Aircraft carriers are no longer untouchable. For decades, aircraft carriers were the most powerful weapons at sea, floating air bases that could strike anywhere. But modern warfare changed one thing: missiles became faster, smarter, and much harder to stop. Aircraft carriers are huge, expensive, and easy to track using satellites, drones, and sensors. Modern anti-ship missiles don't come one at a time. They come in swarms, designed to overwhelm defenses. Carriers are still powerful, but now they need layers of protection just to survive. Are aircraft carriers still worth the risk? Comment below.